Mr. President, members of the council, and the people of the city of Florissant. First of all, with all due respect to Mr. English, and I do respect him, I don't know what the Catholic situation has to do with this ordinance, but I suppose we have right at the present time a check from Mark Bellman in the amount of $1,000 payable to the city, and if we accept it, he will pay us another $14,000. I don't know what the big issue is here. You know, I'm not going to get into it between Mr. Londoff and the Internal Revenue Service. I do not think that that is before the City Council to make that determination tonight, and it says nothing in here in this ordinance about any determination about internal revenue. I think that that's his problem. He made the offer to me in front of witnesses. He did so because he said that he was very proud of the fact that we were able to negotiate with my former friend who's passed away, Dr. Spellman, who was the president of Lindenwood University, that we were able to get Lindenwood University to come here. And as a result of that, I cannot foresee, we have another developer that has made a statement, a letter of intent to purchase the property. Contrary to what the council says, they cannot sell this property without a bidding process, and we have to send it out on a bidding process to seal bids to come back in. My opinion is that this is already paid for. All we have to do is get Bellman's, and we made about $8,000. If we get somebody that's going to give us $200,000, one developer asked me, what's a fair amount that you would take her to City Council? And I said, I really don't know. I says, what would you offer? And he says, what if I were to offer about $250,000? And that's a local developer here in the city of Florissant that not only has his business here, but also lives in the city of Florissant. So I don't know what we're talking about here tonight. I know that we're talking about making money for the city. I know that we're talking about that, as simple as I can put it. I know that Mr. Londoff wanted to give us first crack at this because he was pleased that I was able to get Dr. Spellman to buy this property. Dr. Spellman was very difficult, to be honest with you, because he was a difficult man. We had 5 or 6 meetings. Mr. Russell was present, and I had to ask everybody to leave the room so I could talk. We got within $25,000 of a purchase, and Dr. Spellman would not agree to it. So I finally talked to him privately, and he finally agreed to it. So we worked that out to bring the Lindenwood University to the city of Florissant, which is the largest expanding university in the state of Missouri and in the Midwest, to the city of Florissant. It is doing an astronomical good for the city of Florissant. And I want to tell you, as a board member now of Lindenwood University, as far as the parking is concerned,
the appropriation.
as far as this is the.
Let's not talk about Lindenwood. Let's talk about the ordinance.
I'm talking about Lindenwood letting the people park there. The people can park there. That's part of the issue. And the only issue really before us, and you let Mrs. McKay talk, is whether or not you're going to buy it for $1,000 and make money. It's already there on the table. It's simple.
Thank you. Ms. McKay.